Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add confirmation password field and then validate two password field in Formidable forms in WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. If you are using this plugin for register form or registration form, then you can add duplicate password field to validate password two times. Now you see password and then you see enter password again. So we are going to add validation. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. And then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see field ID 31. So this is our confirmation field. So this is our second password field. And then you see 30. So this is our first password field. Now go to form. So this is our second password again field. Now you see ID 31. We are using in custom code. And then you see password. So this is our first password field. And then you see ID 30. Now back to custom code. So you can add your field ID. And then you see error message. The password entered do not match. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. So we added some information and then you see text, email, password, enter password again. Both field texts are different. And then click on submit. Now you see message. There was a problem with your submission. The password enter do not match. Now add same password, copy and then paste and then click on submit. Now you see submission was successful. So in this way you can add confirmation password field again and then validate. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.